Okay, so here we have a Panasonic microwave. Let's see, the model number, year is 2006, 8th month it was manufactured and built. This was in my house in January. I'm going to see if I can reproduce what happened inside my house in January. Since then I haven't used it, obviously. So we're going to put some water in here, and then we're going to set this to heat up the water. Yeah, just a little bit of smoke coming out of there, and this is what was happening inside my house. I wasn't too thrilled. As you see, the more you keep using it, the more it keeps smoking. So before you buy, see if it smokes. And it does look like our water's starting to heat up though. And that's it. So I wouldn't buy a Panasonic if I were you, unless you want this happening in your house.